We have summarized actually in the previous module whatever the log shipping limitations are there. Those limitations, remember, we can overcome with the help of mirroring. We'll see here in this module, we'll see how mirroring is working. We have discussed this already, what is high availability features in previous module. Introduction to mirroring, we'll see mirroring architecture, we'll see how mirroring is working. Prerequisites, we'll see to configure database mirroring. After configuring, we'll see how we can monitor troubleshooting some common issues of mirroring, performing failover. Right. Let's say we'll start with check here another high availability feature from 2005 version onwards. Here, first time mirroring was introduced in what 2005 version. Okay, yeah. As compared with log shipping, these are the major benefits are there with mirroring. One is your automatic failover is there. Means what? Tomorrow if principal database is crash, automatically mirror becomes principal. Here see, in log shipping, we have seen some terminologies are there, primary server, secondary server. Here we are calling as principal and mirror. Principal and mirror, just terminology, then same servers actually. Automatic failover is there. Automatic failover means what? Whenever principal is down, mirror becomes principal automatically. That is called here automatic failover. Right. Next here, like no data loss scenario. Check here, there is no data loss scenario here. So we'll see how data loss is not there. We'll discuss here. Okay. Actually, we have like synchronous and asynchronous mirroring is there. So in case of synchronous mirroring, remember, there is no data loss scenario. In case of what? Synchronous mirroring. We'll see again in the architecture. Means even no need to take tail log backup here. If principal is down, no need to take tail log backup here. So automatically mirror becomes principal. Okay, the same way here some extra options are there in mirroring. Auto page repair means what? One page is corrupted in principal database. Okay, one page is corrupted in principal database. The same page is copied from mirror and it is repaired. The same way, if one page is corrupted in mirror, a page is copied from principal and it is repaired. Right, we'll see that one. From 2008 onwards, mirroring was introduced in 2005. In 8, we have some extra option, auto page repair, automatic role switching. Just remember, by clicking on one button, we can make principal as mirror, mirror as principal. Okay, which is generally useful while applying the patches here. Means what? Tomorrow if you want to apply some service packs or hard fixes, first we have to apply to mirror. Once it is applied successfully, once it is tested, okay, applied successfully, then we'll switch the roles. Means what? I will make this mirror as principal as mirror, so that now users are continuing here in server 2, then we'll apply the patch here. Okay, that is like role switching is required generally while performing maintenance related activities. The same way, immediate sync with mirror, right? In case of log shipping, all the three jobs must be executed: backup, copy, restore. But here remember, in case of mirroring, immediate sync is there with mirror database. Means what? Whenever the changes are applied into principal database log file, transaction log file, once the changes are written into principal database log file, immediately these changes are submitted to mirror. They are also written into the mirror log file. So mirroring is log file to log file copies here directly. TRN LDF file to LDF direct copies here. That's the in fraction of seconds whenever changes are synced with mirror. Okay, there is no delay. Immediate sync is there here. We'll see in architecture again. Check here in principal server, database must be in online state, right? That is compulsory. We know already. In principal server, database read write should be allowed. Principal server, database allows what? Read writing. Okay, that's why online state. But in mirror servers here, it is there in restoring state only. Okay, just remember it is there in restoring state only. In log shipping, we have seen like both standby and restoring both are allowed, but here only restoring state. Why? Because log file to log file changes made in principal database is log the principal database log file. They are applied to mirror database log file. Log file to log file copy directly. That's why in mirror, remember, we can't maintain the database in read-only state. Okay, okay. Check here, we can allow reporting from mirror server by creating database snapshot. See, in mirror database is there in which state? Restoring state. Restoring means we have seen no reading, no writing, right? No reading, no writing. That's why the client is asking that I want to allow reading from mirror. In that case here, we can create database snapshot in mirror. Through snapshot, we can allow reading. Okay, we'll see that one. Through snapshot, we can allow reading. Okay, check here like same benefits are there. We have seen this also DB to DB, but extra benefits are there. Yeah, check here like high protection against database failures. Means what? There is no data loss scenario. Automatic failure detection and failover. See, automatically whenever principal server down, database down, or network issue is there between the partners, automatically it will detect and it will start failover process to bring the mirror database online. Support of easy manual failure also we can do here by running one or two commands. Transparent client redirection means what? In the application or front end part. Okay, let's say we have mentioned two server names, principal name plus mirror name in the application. Now remember, your connection to principal will fail. Why? Because in principal server database is down now. But already we have seen in mirror automatically it comes online. In mirror, database has come online. Immediately application can redirect connection to mirror. Immediately started working. Means what? In the application to the connection string, remember, we can mention two server. Server name, failover partner name, something say two server names are there. Whenever it is unable to connect to principal, it will start connecting to mirror. So started working. Why? Because whenever principal database is down, crash, immediately mirror becomes principal. Means what? Immediately mirror database comes online. That's why applications can start working. Means in the application or front-end part, users don't know whether they are working with this server or with this server. That's why transparent client redirection automatically redirected to a mirror server, which has become principal. No special hardware is required, similar to lock shipping. With normal machines also we can set up. Easy setup and configuration. Check here, we have two modes are there sir, in mirroring. One is synchronous mode is there and asynchronous mode is there. Okay, two modes are there as part of DB mirroring. Okay, yeah. So we'll continue this yeah operating modes. We'll see in the tomorrow's class. Okay, right.